Hello students. So our next question is you have to integrate cot x upon sin x and cot x upon sin x minus tan x upon cos x minus 3 tan square x dx. Okay. So what can be written as cot x upon sin x? It can be written as cot x as it is and 1 over sin x minus similarly tan x as it is and cos x 1 over cos x minus 3 and tan square x using formula. We know that identity that is 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x, it can be written as equals to secant square x. So from here, you can write tan square x is equals to secant square x minus 1. Okay, secant square x minus 1. So this tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. Okay, now with respect to x, you have to integrate. So finally, this one is cot x. And 1 over sin x, 1 over sin x can be written as cosecant x, reciprocal of sin x, that is cosecant x. Okay, cosecant x minus tan x and 1 over cos x means reciprocal of cos x will be equals to secant x. So it can be written as secant x minus 3 secant square x and minus 3 will multiply with minus 1, that will be equals to plus 1. Okay, dx. So finally, cot x cosecant x, integration of cot x or cosecant x, it will be minus cosecant x. Integration of tan x secant x, it is secant x. This one is formula also. Minus 3 integration of secant square x, that is tan x. Integration of secant square x tan x and integration of 3, that will be equal to 3x plus constant c. So this one will be our required final answer. Okay. So now next question is you have to integrate 3 minus 5 sin x upon cos square x. So it can be written as 3 over cos square x minus 5 sin x over cos square x dx. Now reciprocal of cos x, we know that reciprocal of cos x, that is secant x. So it will be secant square x minus 5. It can be written as sin x upon cos x into 1 over cos x into 1 over cos x. Okay, we have to integrate in here. Now 3 will be outside, can be written as secant square x dx minus 5, again it's a constant, it will be out of the integral. Sin x upon cos x can be written as tan x and 1 over cos x is secant x dx. Now secant square x, integration of secant square x is tan x minus 5 integration of tan x into secant x. This one is secant x plus constant c. So final answer is 3 tan x minus secant x plus constant c. Thank you.